Revenue recognition. This is one of my favorite topics. Revenue recognition is straightforward and easy to understand when you have non-recurring revenue. But what does it look like for subscription-based companies? If you're struggling with revenue recognition, you're not alone. It's the most common mistake found among startups. Here's why it's crucial to get it right from the start. It affects your perception on the overall performance of your business, the calculations of your metrics, your growth rate and valuation, your financial reporting and forecasting. To get revenue recognition right, begin by separating your recurring revenue and non-recurring revenue. It's that simple. Once you've done that, revenue recognition starts to get easy. I've given lots of examples to make this technical topic easy to understand. Head over to the Calqulate Academy to learn more.